Prompt for today is hair. Two things I've learned just from drawing in general, all my attempts at drawings before and tutorials and stuff that I looked up before, is that when you draw hair, you always draw in sections, not in strands. And another thing that I've learned is that you always draw in the direction of the hair. When you're shading or anything like that, then you're going to go with the flow of the hair, so you're not going to go across or anything like that unless there are strands of hair that are going across. So the sections will make up the shape of the hair, but then the shading will make up the strands in a way. Another thing I've learned just from drawing in general is that contrast can make a really big difference. I've often drawn pictures where I really don't like them, they're bland, they don't appeal to me or anything like that, and then I will add a lot of contrast, add a lot more dark shades or add a lot more highlights, and then the pictures will just in general be transformed. I'll actually end up really liking a photo that just a little while ago I couldn't stand at all. So if you add a lot more contrast, it'll generally make a picture, a sketch, a drawing, anything like that, it'll make it a lot more striking. Something else I really want to try and do is to kind of display anything that you guys are trying. So if you do watch one of my videos and you do kind of like what it ended up, or you felt that you learned something, please send me a photo or send me a short video clip of what you did, and then I will make a video of what you've done and put it on the channel as well. I'd really like to start a community kind of where everybody that wants to learn to draw, to paint, to sculpt, to do something artistically, but you just don't have the resources, the money, there's not an art class in your area or something like that. If you give something a try, especially if you do it from one of the videos that I've shared here with one of the tutorials I've included, I want to see a picture or a video or something, and I want to make a video and put it on the channel so that we can share. My email address will be below and also under my information on my channel. And with that, thank you for watching as always.